Hey guys, today's just gonna be a test vlog. To be honest, I look so skinny. Please do not come for me. I've been sick for the longest. But today's gonna be a test vlog. What I'm going to do is just take you guys around with me. I'm going to clean my room. Why is it focusing on my background and not my face? Perfect. Okay, better, so much better. I feel so much more focused now. Okay, so I'm gonna just be cleaning up my room, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
First day of clinicals, like, your girl was dumb hype. I have my cute little blue scrubs, my little lab coat, whatever, and I was feeling myself. Like, I had to snap a couple pics. There's this one, and then in the next clip you'll see another one on my dresser, and literally I just framed these two pictures because it's just a reminder of like I started.
Okay, so guys, I really just wanted to take the time out to show you guys this candle. It's called Stress Philippe and it's from Bath and Body Works. When I tell you, like, sis, you need this candle in your life, like, especially during these quarantine times. It just sets the mood for relaxation. So if you can get your hands on one of these, I would definitely purchase it.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, this is the final product. My dress is clean. I have like a cute little quote back there: speak life into one another, straight from the Bible. My vanity's clean, my bed's clean. And yeah, thanks for watching.